Hi CordaRoy's family! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to assemble your new CordaRoy's lounger. This is easier with 2 people. Once the insert is fully expanded, you'll want to remove the cover from the plastic zipper pouch. Unzip the cover and slip it onto the insert like you would a pillowcase, making sure to fill out the corners of the cover with the insert completely. If you've decided to use this as a chair, you'll turn the lounger onto one of its sides and push the front corner down to create a seat for yourself. If you've decided to use this more as a bed, you're all set. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.